guys on YouTube. One of my old favourite Hotpoint study. Definitely like one of these old ones after the super electronic deluxe ones. Like Super Rinse, Slow Spin, E-Comedy Wash, and the programmer. The old fashioned dial programmer. One of your favourite ones of all time. Which some of you guys know that already, I bet. The favourite, the 60-40 degree program, rinse, spin, the synthetics and delicate programs, 50C, 40, quick wash, and the wool program here. Wish I could buy this machine, guys, before it gets scrapped for bits. I'm sure you might feel the same. Oh, you notice, guys, no salt drawer. Well, apart from a little bit here from the salt drawer that's inside. Oh, look, and the capsule thing. Okay. Hope you like that, guys. Mentioning the old ones. And cut.